Actually, in essence, what we are doing is, um,
Ma'am, yung pong tanong ko, hindi po ba yung kanyang dini-digitize ay yung local production po ng kanyang mga subsidiaries? Katulad po ng...
yes po.
ang mga subsidiaries po niya kasi, ma'am, o yung kanyang mga clients dito sa ating bansa, ABS-CBN Corporation, ABS-CBN Film Productions, Inc., Sarimanok News Network, ito yung ABS-CBN News Channel, Creative Programs. Isa lamang po ang kanyang, parang masasabi nating foreign client, ito po yung ABS-CBN Global Hungary. Ito pong ABS-CBN Global